Hello and welcome to another video. Today I have the SmartDawn smart curtain lights. This comes packaged like this. You see these hooks, you can put a string through it, or you can have a curtain that you can hang it on that's pre-existing to make a LED light curtain. And there is an app. So inside the box there's a manual that gives you the instructions, including the app that you can download to make this happen. Kind of wanted to show you the effect from outside, so you can see this is an orange skull with the eyes. This is elves jumping around. This is Santa Claus and reindeer. And this is what it looks like from the inside. You can see the snowman and the reindeer face, Santa. I think there's a gingerbread man too. So, of course you can see it from both sides, but you can point it to a certain direction. And it'll be reversed, of course, on the other side. So there's a gingerbread man. So it's pretty amazing, actually. I like how it looks. Of course, it looks better from far away than too close away, but I'll put it such that it's pointing out my window. Of course, you can see the curtain behind. So I just put it that way so that we can catch that on the video, but I'm gonna put it out, the lights behind the curtain so it's more clear on the outside. This is a Halloween decoration. Again, we're looking at it on the reverse from the back end. It's cold outside, so I'm doing it from the inside, but that's the pumpkin. And then you can see Halloween, but it's just, mirrored, so you can read it actually from the outside. So I've made it pointing outside. You can also always put it in pointing inside as well. You can see the bats flying, so that's another Halloween decoration. There's tons of Halloween decorations you can go through. You can even come up with your own logo. For example, if you're a fan of a sports team, you can actually put the logo of a sports team there, and it'll perfectly show the logo of the sports team outside or inside. If you want to hold a party inside, you can flip it over. This is one of my favorites, is this kitty, orange kitty. You can see her wagging her tail with a little hat on. And it looks really nice from the outside as well, but you can see even on the reverse it looks really nice. There's more. You have the Easter bunny, you have a Tweety bird, you have many different designs depending on whatever occasion you want to go through. But you can see the Christmas ones, there are a bunch of them here, Halloween ones, and of course this is in reverse, but how cool does that look? And then you can always do a DIY, so you can do a solid color, you can doodle. So let's just say hi, and of course it shows up on the screen perfectly just like that. So let's do a DIY doodle, make it solid like that. And of course it's reversed because like I said, I made it pointing outside, but this is what it looks like, so you can get the effect. I'm really happy with how this turned out. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.